Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create that marbly, goldy, orangey I just can't with myself. I'm going to show you how to get a perfect marble nail, but pretty easy. Really easy. I promise you that this also will be easy for you guys. Easy to do, but a pretty nice design to do after all. Pretty nice and simple and easy and summery, and you know, I'm already summer now. Summer nails, I'm just summery. Okay, so yeah, you guys, before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my TikTok. I will put them here in the screen, so you can go ahead and show me some love, and then and we will go ahead and make some pretty easy marble nails. Okay, let's go and watch this video.
Okay, you guys, so I have already prepped the nails, applied the tips, and I've already got a thin layer of clear acrylic. And next I'm going in with a little bit of my danger zone, the neon orange from my summer collection. But as you guys know, my summer collection and my web shop in general is at the moment is offline. I'm sorry for that, you guys. But yeah, I'm just applying some little small amount of the orange, neon orange, and I'm just like swirl. Yeah, it's not a swirl, it's just like more like a stripe line type of thing. It's really random, just small amounts, and just placing it where you would like it, and just cleaning it up a little bit to get that marbled look. And just really thin, because we will be encapsulating the nails after we have applied the color, so make sure you work with small amounts. And I'm not speeding this process up. I'm sorry, I'm not speeding this process up so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. But yeah, basically I'm just applying some little amount of orange, or the color that you want. You can just use every color that you would like, and I'm just applying it and just swirling it, or making these lines and cleaning it up where I think it needs to be cleaned up. And I'm working with the acrylic a little bit wet, so I can have time to work with the lines and apply them where I want them to be. So yeah, you guys, just see the footage what I'm doing, but basically it's just making these lines and cleaning it up with my brush, and just applying some more if you want to, and like 3 lines on each nail. So next I'm encapsulating the whole nail with some clear acrylic, and as you guys know, I like to work with the one ball method, but I've made a video for you guys where I use the 3-ball method because some of you guys have requested that video. So I have made a video for you guys about the 3-ball method. I will be posting that video on Sunday for you guys. Maybe 3-ball method is easier for you guys, or for some of you guys, so that's why I've made a video. So yeah, I'm applying some clear acrylic over the entire nail on all the 10 nails. And yeah, you guys, how are you guys doing in these difficult times? Let me know in the comments below from which country you're from and how you're holding up in your country. I'm really curious. I'm from the Netherlands, and basically we are just beginning to get back to normal a little bit. So yeah, let me know how you are going and how you are holding up in your country. So this is how the nails look after application, and next I'm using my medium grit bit to smooth the nails down and to shape the nails. And as requested, I have made a video for you guys how to shape the nails because you are so fascinated about my filing skills. So I have made a video about that for you guys. I will be posting that next week, so be pending. And if you're still here watching with me, comment a orange hearted emoji in the description box below so I know that you are still here. And I really want to thank you guys so much for supporting this channel and liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It will cost you 0 cents and 0 minutes, or maybe like 1 minute to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate y'all. So next I'm using the tapered bit to get into the cuticle area to make the nails clean and sharp and nice and neat. Nice clean nails. I just love that. And the word that I wanted to learn you guys today from my language Papiamento, that is from Curacao, is danke. That means thank you. So next I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape, and this is a coffin shape. What is pretty easy to do because I've used the Coffin nails that I've bought from Cake Inc nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. And this is how the nails look after filing, buffing and cleaning the nails. Next I'm using the foil gel from Cake Inc nails to apply some random spots or like some random lines where I think it will be pretty to get the gold foil, and I'm just applying that on the nails where I think I would like the foil to be. And after that I will be curing the gel for 1 minute under my lamp, and then we'll go ahead and apply the gel, I mean the foil. So after I've tried the gel under my lamp, the gel will be tacky, so that's why the foil will stick on the tacky residue from the gel. So I'm just pressing that so it can like be random and abstract, and applying that. And yeah, I'm doing that on all the nails. And after that I'm using the gel bottle gel top coat, clear rubber gel top coat. I will also put the link in the description box below for you guys, so you can go ahead and check them out. And I will be applying that gel top coat on all the nails. I like to use this gel top coat when I'm using like foils or stickers or chrome, because I really think it will encapsulate the whole entire nail, and the design will not chip that fast when you use just normal gel top coat, because this is a really thick gel top coat. And I forgot to mention that I don't have a link for you guys for the gold foil, because I bought this one a really long time ago and I don't really remember where I have got this foil from, so I'm sorry for that, you guys. But I will put a link for you guys from other foil gels that you can buy from Cake Inc nails. And as always, I like to swipe my fingers at the sides of the nail, so I will just keep my shape, sharp shape, because the gel is thick. Sometimes you will lose your shape, so just go ahead and swipe your fingers. And underneath I will be just applying the regular gel top coat that I have from Cake Inc nails. I will also put that one in the description box below. I've cured the nails, applied some cuticle oil, and this is the final result, you guys. I think it's a pretty easy set. You can do this with every color that you have. So yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty simple, classy, it's pretty for summer. So yeah, you guys, I really like this set. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see in my next videos.
So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've liked it. I really hope you've learned something. As always, I make this video so you guys can learn something and entertain you, of course. So yeah, you guys, if you have liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, because I don't know why you're not subscribed yet. I think it's a shame. Shame on you. I think it's a shame. Yes. Shame on you. Can you say that? It's a shame. Yes. Shame on you. Shame on you. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with everybody, with your family and friends, so they can also watch my video. If you didn't enter my giveaways yet, I will put them in the description box below, so you can go ahead and enter. And yeah, you guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.